Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot. Do you have to pay for Setmore? I'm going to be honest with you, I don't know the answer to this question for sure, but I'm going to do my best to find out the answer for you and share it with you in this video. What is Setmore? Before we get into the question of whether or not you have to pay for Setmore, let's first talk about what Setmore is. Setmore is a scheduling and booking software that helps businesses manage their appointments and bookings. It's a great tool for businesses that have a lot of appointments to manage, such as doctors, lawyers, and therapists. Setmore offers a variety of features, including online booking, calendar management, appointment reminders, payment processing, customer relationship management, CRM. Is Setmore free? Now that we know what Setmore is, let's get to the question of whether or not you have to pay for it. The answer to this question is yes and no. Setmore offers a free trial, but you will eventually have to pay for a subscription to use the full features of the software. The price of a Setmore subscription depends on the number of users you have and the features you need. There are 3 different pricing plans: Basic, Pro, and Enterprise. The basic plan starts at $19 per month and includes features such as online booking, calendar management, and appointment reminders. The Pro plan starts at $39 per month and includes additional features such as payment processing and CRM. The Enterprise plan starts at $99 per month and includes even more features, such as custom reporting and advanced analytics. Is Setmore worth the cost? Now that we know that Setmore is not free, the next question is whether or not it's worth the cost. I think that Setmore is a great tool for businesses that need a powerful scheduling and booking solution. If you're a business that has a lot of appointments to manage, then Setmore can help you save time and money. However, Setmore is not for everyone. If you're a small business that doesn't have a lot of appointments to manage, then you may not need to pay for Setmore. There are other free and paid scheduling and booking solutions available that may be a better fit for your needs. How to decide if Setmore is right for you? So, how do you decide if Setmore is right for you? Here are a few things to consider: the size of your business, the number of appointments you manage, the features you need, the cost of the subscription. If you're a small business that doesn't have a lot of appointments to manage, then you may not need to pay for Setmore. However, if you're a larger business that has a lot of appointments to manage, then Setmore can be a valuable tool. So, the answer to the question, do you have to pay for Setmore, is yes and no. Setmore offers a free trial, but you will eventually have to pay for a subscription to use the full features of the software. Whether or not Setmore is worth the cost depends on your individual needs. If you're a business that needs a powerful scheduling and booking solution, then Setmore can be a valuable tool. However, if you're a small business that doesn't have a lot of appointments to manage, then you may not need to pay for Setmore. I hope this video has helped you answer the question, do you have to pay for Setmore? If you have any other questions, please leave a comment below. If you're interested in learning more about Setmore, I encourage you to visit their website. You can also sign up for a free trial to see if Setmore is right for you. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you next time.